In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a report of a data table in Cube. So let's say we want to create a report of the number of households in a county that match a certain characteristic. So we come into the trip generation model and go to the zonal data file after it's been classified. We can see that we have over here in these columns, this is two-person, zero-vehicle households. And let's say we wanted to find out how many two-person, zero-vehicle households versus two-person, two-vehicle households there are in each district of the model region. So let's we come to this data tabulation, and we'll stratify by district. And let's take the sum from this table we're looking at of the, let's see, P2. I guess I can't type that all. I've got to find it. So P2 zero vehicle here, and then the sum of the P2 two-person, two-vehicle households. So create this report. We have to specify which values we want to use. Let's do 1 to 12, because I believe there are 12 districts. Increment by 1. Create this report. Yeah, so now we can see how many households are in each district. These numbers are the same because, again, the household model has not been calibrated. It's going to be your job to do that, and then we can go forward.